Okay, guys and girls, today I'm having a little bit of an issue with my 2005 Pathfinder, but I know other people have this same issue because it's with one of these universal key fobs. And the thing is, it's not working. And I used to think when this happened, it was because I have my keys in my pocket and I sat around driving all the time at work, and I was accidentally pushing the buttons and running the battery down. And I was replacing batteries constantly, but I finally figured out what it is. If you push the buttons, both of them, it messes up the remote. So what you do is pop it apart and then put it right back together and try it again. So let me do that, and then I'll get back with you. Okay, so all I did was take my pocket knife, pop the two halves apart, and put it right back together. And now it works. Thanks for watching, guys.